goodbye to your broom and dustpan with the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum. You know how pet messes can end up: along baseboards, around the litter box, and especially around food bowls. With the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum, you can vacuum along edges and corners where pet hair, food, and litter tend to collect, without any of the usual frustration. Some stick vacuums aren't designed to, or lack the power to pick up large bits of debris, and they don't clean all the way to the edge. But the innovative suction technology of the PowerEdge Pet funnels large debris into the powerful central suction path, while the ends of the V capture dirt along the edges. Rubber-like material on the bottom of the foot attracts pet hair, and powerful suction prevents it from escaping into other areas around the house. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Best of all, it is ready to go whenever you need it, helping to keep your home in order. So if you're fond of pets, but not of the cleanup, the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum has you covered, edge to edge. Bissell, we mean clean.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented WindTunnel technology. The Lynx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
The Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro is a versatile vacuum that tackles everything from carpets and hard floors to hard-to-reach areas, furniture, and places above the floor. The cleaning pod easily detaches from the floor nozzle to give you a lightweight solution for cleaning with accessories on stairs and other areas around your home. For a thorough clean on hard floors, use the included Dust Away attachment, which combines powerful suction with a microfiber pad to pick up fine dust and large debris on tile, wood, and more.
For cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next, while its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 980's cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 980 from just about anywhere at any time. For beautifully vacuumed floors every day, throughout your home, the Roomba 980, the power to change the way you clean.
This is the Dyson V6 Animal, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The Dyson V6 Animal removes more dirt and dust from your floors. A mini motorized tool removes pet hair and ground-in dirt from furniture, cars, and tight spaces. It also comes with a mini soft dusting brush for delicate cleaning like computer keyboards, a combination tool for surfaces like kitchen counters, and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet.